In this video we will learn all about mirror entities. The Mirror Entities tool is used to create mirror images of entities. A mirror image is different from a copy. From this entity we create a copy and also create a mirror. Check the difference. Click the Mirror Entity tool. Select all the lines in the entity. Listing will appear in the Entities to Mirror box. Click the Mirror About box. Click the mirror line, which is construction line and separate, drawn from entities to be mirrored. The mirror copy is as away from the construction line as original. A preview of the mirrored image will appear. Click the green OK check mark. Now repeat complete procedure without checking copy box. As a result, a copy mirror is generated but original entities are deleted automatically. There is another case in which we use mirror line within the entities to be mirrored. Click Mirror tool, select entities to be mirrored and click in Mirror About box and select line within the entities to be mirrored. Check the green OK mark. If you like video, press like and share. Have any question? Comment below. Try to answer you. To learn SolidWorks beginning to advanced level, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.